cheetahs are the fastest land-based mammal. Fastest land-based mammal, can run up to 120 km per hour. 120, 140 तक भी recorded है. Its speciality is its acceleration. From a stationary position, it can reach 100 km per hour in 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Okay, so it can reach 100 km per hour. So that is its skill. Fine. It is one of the 7 big cat species of the world. What are the 7 big cat species? Quickly. Largest one is tiger, and then lion, cheetah, leopard, snow leopard, puma, jaguar. Panther is leopard only. Okay, puma and jaguar. Puma and jaguar is not there in India. 5 big cat species back in India with the back of cheetah. Cheetahs were also the oldest big cats in the world. In terms of evolution, the earliest to evolve. There are 2 species of cheetahs right now in the world. One is Asiatic cheetah, another is African cheetah. Okay, so Asiatic cheetah, original range is entire South Asia, West Asia to South Asia. African cheetah, both Northern Africa as well as Southern Africa, the original range. Right now, Asiatic cheetah is present only in Iran. Khali Iran mein bacha hai. African cheetah is present in many countries. The status of Asiatic cheetah is critically endangered. The status of African cheetah is vulnerable. Okay? Other than this, the difference, Asiatic cheetah is pale white in color. African cheetah is yellowish. Asiatic cheetah is slightly leaner. Okay, so image में थोड़ा सा ऐसे मोटा दिख रहा है, but this is slightly leaner than African cheetah. And Asiatic cheetah used to run faster than African cheetah. Okay? And most clearly visible characteristic you can see 2 dark stripes which is running through its face. It's called as malar stripes. M-A-L-A-R, malar stripes. It helps in so seeing the prey even with the brightest sunlight, because it lives in a grassland. It's a grassland species, right? When it is hunting, because of the glare, so there's not much of shadow in the grassland. Because of the sunlight, it will create a glare. So to avoid that, it is a natural adaptation.